In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Vanishing Point tool in Photoshop 2026 to place images and designs onto any surface with realistic perspective. This is a very useful technique when you want to add artwork to a wall, a graphic to a sign, or a design onto a floor while keeping the correct angle and depth. The great thing about Vanishing Point is that it helps your image follow the natural perspective of the surface, so the final result looks much more believable. To begin, create a new layer. This is a smart habit because it helps keep your edits separate from the original image, giving you more flexibility later. After that, select the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection around the area you want to copy. Once your selection is active, press Ctrl and C to copy it. Now return to your main image. Go up to the top menu, click Filter, and then choose Vanishing Point. This will open the Vanishing Point workspace, which is where you'll build the perspective for your surface and place your image correctly. Inside this workspace, choose the Create Plane tool. Then click around the surface where you want the image to appear. The goal here is to create a perspective grid that matches the angle of the area as accurately as possible. Take your time with this part, because the more accurate the grid is, the more realistic the final placement will look. Make sure the grid lines align well with the edges and direction of the surface. Once the plane looks correct, press Ctrl and V to paste the copied image into the Vanishing Point workspace. Your image will appear inside the perspective area. Next, select the Transform tool and resize or adjust the image so it fits the grid properly. As you move and scale it, Photoshop will automatically help the image follow the perspective of the plane, which is what creates that natural depth effect. When everything looks the way you want, click OK to apply the changes and return to the main Photoshop document. At this point, the image should already look like it belongs to the surface, but there's one more simple adjustment that can make it blend even better. Go to the Layers panel and change the Layer Blend mode to Multiply. This helps the texture and shading of the original surface show through the added image, making the result feel more integrated and realistic. And that's it. You've successfully used the Vanishing Point tool in Photoshop 2026 to place an image onto a surface with convincing perspective.